There's no way to save this at this point, unless I decide to shave all my hair off again. Oh Lord. Hello everyone. Yep. Your girl got herself a fringe. Doesn't look great, let's be honest. I kinda look like a knockoff Amelie. Like a really bad knockoff Amelie. Like she's what you see online and I'm what you get in the post. So welcome to another episode of Snella does something that she'll probably regret. That's just what I do. So I'm gonna dye my hair today. Just fancied doing it. Bit bored. I haven't dyed my hair in a long ass time. This is my virgin hair at the moment. This is the hair that I've grown out since I was completely bald. So yeah, let's do it. Plan is with my hair to dye it half blue, half pink. Probably gonna look terrible, but if you don't experiment in your life, then you're just a fart. Right, so what I'm going to do with this Vaseline is I'm going to put it around my hairline so that doesn't dye my skin as much as what it possibly could do. Inevitably I have got glitter on me. If anyone wants any lube, just rub yourself on me. We're going to try and part my hair in the middle, clip that away. What we're using is Sky Blue by Crazy Colour. God, I really did not bloody come prepared, did I? My face! So I'm going to partition the hair so I can start from the underneath and then work up. I can already tell this is a bad idea. But yeah, I'm going to sort of do from what I can see and then do the back of my head. I think that'll work, hopefully. Oh, put on the fucking gloves, Jesus Christ. Okay, yep. Okay, no going back now. So I'm just going to use this brush. Don't know why I'm almost talking to you like this is a tutorial. Don't follow this. This is not a tutorial. Hair toner, straight on, and I just knocked my camera. You okay? Good. Ooh, got some on my skin. So I'm gonna rub it in at the roots. God, I feel like my voice sounds particularly monotone and horrible today. God, I hope I have enough hair dye. I'm gonna do my fringe now. Alice just came in and helped me do the back of my hair. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, that's what's getting dyed, that's what's not getting dyed. Fuck it, we're going for it, lads, we're going for it. There's no way to save this at this point, unless I decide to shave all my hair off again. Oh, that's the look. So I'm going to do the pink side now. This one's called Cyclamen. I've used this pink before. I used to love it when my hair was pink. Those were the days. So let's take me back there. Okay, so I've done it. Blue on that side, pink on the other. I'm going to do something potentially stupid and I'm going to leave it in overnight. Taking risks here. If I do that, I'm going to do this. If I can actually get it off the bloody roll. I know this might look crazy. Trust me on this. What is happening here? Right, I'm just gonna cut it off here. This is bad on me! Dude, that's not cool. Well, now I have some nice pink splodges on me. Fuck's sake, that's annoying. I don't have anything to wipe it off with, so I'm just gonna sit here and cry. Pat this all down. Why is there a bald spot? There's a bald spot here. What a fucking nightmare. That's covered now. I'm going to sleep with this on. So next time you'll see me is when it's all washed out. Hopefully it doesn't look shit.
One eternity later.
So like this side, like this, and then like this. The blue's almost more greeny, like turquoisey, but that's fine. If you're wondering why my glitter's all crazy, it's because it's Pride. Might have gone a little bit overboard with the glitter, not gonna lie. This is my outfit. Look at these shorts. Look at them. Woohoo! I'm just about to go to Pride in Londonius. So yeah, that's there. So this is quite a shit video. I just wanted it to be. It's not that interesting. It's just dyeing your hair. Daft colours, isn't it? Look, and you can mix all the colours together. Oh, that's a look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that. I'll see you in the next one. Let's do it. Yeah. Oh, fuck.